organizers of the Manila International Auto Show for the successful opening of this year's MIAs. To kick off our program, please watch the following video clips.
Change defines us. It guides us forward. At Volvo Cars, we see change as an opportunity to make life better. To take technology and bend it to our will. To serve us. This has always been our starting point. We put people first. A convergence of technologies is rapidly approaching. It will enable a whole new way of living. Comfort, convenience, and security are paramount. Volvo Cars' vision of sustainable mobility is based on electrification. Hybrid and fully electric powertrains that deliver efficient, near-silent running, protecting our environment for future generations.
Hello, and welcome to the Volvo retail exhibit at the Manila International Auto Show. My name is Charles Frump, and I'm the head of marketing communications for Volvo Car APAC. I'm excited to introduce to you our new line of powerful recharge hybrid models to be introduced by our partners here in the Philippines. Volvo Cars has set the global ambition of being 100% electric by 2030 and climate neutral by 2040. The introduction of the new line of recharge models is another major step towards Volvo Cars' electrification transformation in the Philippines. Our powerful new hybrids are available on the XC90 SUV in the Inscription trim, the newly facelifted XC60 dynamic SUV in the R design, and the S90 long wheelbase premium sedan in Inscription. The advanced brake-by-wire energy recovery system empowers these recharge vehicles to reduce your fuel consumption by up to 15%. And there's no need for charging as the battery is being charged by the recovery energy every time you step on the brake. The seamless technology empowering connectivity and the electrified powertrain of Volvo Philippines' new hybrid lineup delivers a powerful, smoother, and more fuel-efficient driving experience. All new Volvo Philippines recharge hybrid models are equipped with Volvo's class-leading innovation and legendary safety technology to protect you, your passengers, pedestrians, cyclists, and other road users. Since our inception in 1927, people and their safety has been at the center of everything that we do. And now we are facing our biggest safety challenge to date, climate change. We encourage all of you to take your first step to responsible car ownership and a more sustainable future with a Volvo Car recharge model. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Volvo retail exhibit is now open. Please feel free to hover around the booth to see the newly launched Boost hybrid models. The XC90 B6 Inscription 7-seater luxury SUV, the S90 long wheelbase B6 Inscription Executive Sedan, and the XC60 B6 R Design Dynamic Swedish SUV. May we please request everyone to follow the health protocols and maintain a safe distance. Thank you very much. Enjoy and stay safe.